the mayor's spokesperson, saying that the city is going to require medical personnel at all 11 of the city's public hospitals, including this one, Harlem Hospital, to have proof that they are vaccinated or once a week get a COVID test. That is a new development. One of many institutions saying they want evidence that the people inside them are protected against the coronavirus. In keeping with New Jersey remaining one of the top states for vaccinations is this requirement by the state's fourth largest university. You see it there. A COVID vaccine form has to be submitted by August 1st. Otherwise,
they will be deregistered for their classes.
Most universities, including the state's largest, Rutgers, require vaccination. The idea at Kean University is to vaccinate so masks won't be mandatory.
Those guidelines are always subject to change, but we want our students to understand that if they submit that record, they're going to be able to come to campus and it's going to be a little bit closer to what they're used to.
Across the Hudson, no indoor mask requirement is also what Mayor Bill de Blasio says the city needs to keep for now. By contrast, the Health Committee chair of the City Council was once again calling for everyone to wear masks again indoors. He was on the Pix 11 Morning News.
Cases have now tripled in the last 14 days. The return of masks is one important tool that we can use.
But Mayor de Blasio had this response.
We also are, all of us, united strongly in not wanting people to think, oh, I have a mask, so I don't need to be vaccinated.
The city's infection rate is an average of numbers in each zip code. On the city's map, the darker the shade of red, the higher the COVID positivity. Southern Staten Island is well above 5%, and so is this part of Harlem.
Because I see a lot of people with no mask.
Because people don't want to get vaccinated.
Compare the infection rate to the vaccination rate. The lighter the blue, the fewer people vaccinated. It's almost an exact match with higher infections. It's why the health commissioner says that increasing vaccinations is vital and that mask wearing also helps.
The vaccine is the closest thing that we have to a knockout punch.
And that's why on both sides of the Hudson, as you've seen, a big push to make sure that as many people who are qualified for the vaccines actually get vaccinated. Reporting live from Harlem, I'm James Ford, Pix 11 News.